All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, no be small something, no. This is another serious one reaching us. Still on the matter. Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, my brother, my sister, this one that is happening is a very serious one. Nigerian soldiers, where they were trying to, do some training. At the end of the day, they were asked to, shoot and to get some targets. At the end of it all, my brother, my sister, what we heard was, yay, my leg go, my leg go. What happened? Soldier fire soldier. My brother, my sister, it's not funny. It's not funny at all. Majority of people have been reacting since that. Very good. She been waiting with the talk with this. Say now only una go dey use una hand to dey do una self. Which kind thing be this? But to my brother, my sister, well, let's take a very good look at what actually happened. What do you think is going on? Where they were rehearsing, practicing to get target, then another soldier now shot another person in the leg. Don't you think there is fire on the mountain? Yes, let me tell you what is going on. Now, we have said it times with that number. I know some people already know this story. They already know this story. We have talked about this whole thing from beginning, that when that former president Buhari was there, each time they apprehend any of these Boko Haram people, you know what you always say? Leave them, don't buy them, they will repent. In fact, repentant Boko Haram now be the name where they call them. At the end of it all, what happened? They will now send them to rehabilitation center, after which he will graduate them. I'm talking about the former president. He will graduate them and then now recruit them into Nigerian army. Finally, it is happening. We have said it times with that number that this set of people, I mean this set of Fulani people, that they are everywhere. Even in the military, they are there. Every corner, name them. That is what we are talking about. Yet, our so-called Yoruba people, in fact, most especially those elders, they will keep mute. They will be telling us that restructuring, that we should restructure the country. According to what the people that are wise have been saying. That why would you say these Fulani people are your brothers? Why would you say they are our brothers? Simply because they are staying around you. Some of them that have been, there are some states you get to now. This set of Fulanis will speak Yoruba as if they are Yoruba people. So some Yoruba people must have forgotten that, these people are not even Yorubas, but because they speak Yoruba the same way they speak, they will say, they are our brothers, so we are living together, they have been with us. All these ones, they are different from other Fulani. So my brother, my sister, you deceive yourself. You deceive yourself. Immediately I heard this news, I was just laughing. That you can imagine. So now you want to tell me that soldier that shot the other one does not know what he did, Abi, or he did not know what he did? My brother, my sister, that story for the gods. Definitely they are already in the security department, in the first department, and then as it stands, they have mission. When their father Buhari was recruiting them, a lot of people did not even see anything wrong with it. They did not see anything wrong with what was going on. But we are wise. That's why we are always saying it, that everybody be wise. Most especially our elders, Yoruba elders, be wise. Because of peanuts, majority of them will be mute. They'll be like, nothing they happen. Of which, well, I think some of them know. Some of them know what is going on, but because of selfishness, we have talked about this times with that number. Because of greed, only my own brother, only my own sister, my daughter, my son, provided all these people are fine, some group of people don't care about you. They don't care about the masses, but they've forgotten that this country is theirs. This land is their land. No matter what, they will still remain on that land. And then they might be thinking, oh, before it happens, so I would have traveled out or would have taken the next private jet. But I want to remind you something. God is the creator of universe, and he is bigger than you. He knows what is obtainable. Either you like it or not. If you think you can make others to cry, and you want to smile, you lie. It has happened before. Now it will happen again. You lie. It can never work, because God will definitely bring you down. That's exactly what we are talking about. These people, they are in our midst. They are everywhere. Even in our bosses, they are there. These so-called Fulani people in the church, they are there. They are all informants. At the end of it all, they are planning. They know when they want to strike, but we need to be vigilant. That's why we always tell all our headers, they need to wake up. They need to shine their eyes. Don't say because today it has not happened to you. My brother, my sister, you cannot escape it if you are one of those that have been supporting this evil. Now you can imagine on the training ground, and then you shot at your own colleague. At the end of it all, what do you want to say? Because maybe he must have seen that one is a striker, that one is very good. Okay, let's just bring him down. Maybe they must have been planning that when it wants to happen, they have some people that are very smart that can deal with them. So now they are watching, they are seeing what is going on. They decided to say, let's just bring this one down first. After this one, he be like saying that this one self he get mouth where we be, we see bring this one down. Thank God it was only the leg, anyway. It was only the leg. Maybe they must have thought about it that if we do another thing and then go code, so more first start with the leg. Now the country be that we all of now they say now one Nigeria say nothing they happen, say it go better. In fact, what always baffles me is that there are some set of people out there. They are seeing all these things that are happening. They will still be telling you that restructuring will make it better. Hey, they will be telling you restructuring, and those people, in fact, some of them are living well. Some of them are even living a worse life. Yet they will tell you no problem, restructuring. But they have forgotten that this set of people are not people you can live with. Either you like it or not. And also, we got some informations that most of all this, there are some estates out there. Most of all these bike men, most especially when you see all those Fulani bike men, when they carry you like this, my brother, my sister, even when you get to your house, they will just be running. They will be looking for trouble. They just want you to just misbehave. All of them, they are informants. They are there to monitor your houses. In case you don't know now, you need to be shining your eyes. Somebody was advising me some time ago that if anytime you take them on a bike, if they are coming to your house, make sure you don't allow them to drop you at exactly your house. Make sure it's either before your house or after your house. Always drop, because these people, they are all informants. They know what they are doing. They can be there for so many years. That is why you can see them in the bush, in the forest. They are comfortable because they know their plans and exactly what we are talking about. It's only the good Lord that will continue to help us. Well, this is exactly what it is unto this Yoruba nation. No going back. Exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this one. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right. Thanks and God bless.